Hello everyone, namaste. Welcome to another yoga session with me. In this session, we are going to do lots of stretches that a woman should practice every single day to keep her hormones balanced, to improve her fertility, and for overall well being. So, let us get started. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to it. So, we will start by sitting in Ardha Siddhasana on a pillow. So left foot in and then right heel ahead of the left. Let us stretch the spine first to release any tension. Interlock the finger. Take a deep inhale. Stretch your both arms up over the head. Pull up maximum. Pull up, 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 releasing the tension from the spine. Exhale, relax. Let us do one more of it. Inhale, pull up, 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 more up, up, exhale and relax. Now interlock, pointing the index finger out. Let us do side bending. Inhale up, exhale, gently bend on the side. Make sure you're pressing the knee down. Inhale up, exhale, bend. Feeling a nice stretch on the side muscle. One more on each side. Inhale, exhale. You can also drop your palm like this for a deeper stretch. Inhale up, exhale to the side, chest open. Come back to the center. Inhale up. Let us twist one time on each side. Exhale, place your right palm on the left knee. Look back and hold. Normal breathing. Squeeze your abdomen, pull yourself back, giving a nice contraction in the belly. Inhale up. Exhale, twist to the other side, squeezing the abdomen, look back and hold. Normal breathing. And then slowly come back to the center. Now we are going to grab the knee. This one is my favorite. We will grab the knee. Inhale, we open the chest. Take the body to the right, center, left. Exhale, grab your knees and go back. Make 5 clockwise and 5 anti-clockwise circles like this. If you can do with your eyes closed, it's going to feel great. Just simply observe the body. Let us reverse 5 times. And relax. Slowly come back to the center. And now open your both legs. Shake your legs. And do some ankle rotation. 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. Reverse 5 times. Now let us do some pelvic opening, hip opening. We are still sitting on the pillow, opening the legs like this. So the toes, the sole of the foot is almost facing each other. Okay. No opening too much. If you are going to open too much, it will give you a very good stretch. But if you are a beginner, you can keep them slightly in. Now grab your ankle. Take a deep inhale. Lift the chest up. Exhale, press your elbow against the knee and bend forward as much as you can, avoiding overstretch. Inhale up. Exhale down. Release any tension from the pelvis. Inhale up. Exhale down. Press your knees down with the elbows. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more inhale up. Exhale down. Now consciously press your knees down, dropping the palms forward this time. See if you can walk slightly more forward. Head down. Stay here for 3 deep breaths. And slowly come back up. Relax. Again, legs straight, shake. Now we are going to sit in Malasana. If you want, you can have your block. Come to Malasana. If you cannot sit in Malasana like this directly, either sit on a block or your pillow. This is also fine, okay? Make sure your toes are turning out, heels in. Push your knees out with your elbow so that we are opening the pelvic. Oh, join your palms together, chest open. Don't sit like this, okay? Chest open. Now keep pushing the knees out and gently move your body right to left. Don't allow the knees to drop in. Keep pushing out gently to the right, center, and to the left. You may do this with your eyes closed. Feel a nice stretch in the pelvis. Feel the blood flow improving in your reproductive organs as you do this. And come back to the center. Now we are going to do Namaskarasana. So, inhale here. As you exhale, you are going to shrink your body, contract your body like this, head down, touching the fingertips down on the floor. We take a deep inhale, open. We exhale and shrink the body. We inhale and open. We exhale and shrink. We inhale and open. Exhale and shrink. Two more. Inhale, open. Exhale, shrink. Inhale, open. Exhale, shrink. Relax. Now, if your legs are feeling tired, sit on a block. Now drop your palms down and see if you can stretch your right leg on the right side completely, moving to Skandasana. Another good stretch like this. If this feels very difficult, feel free to sit back like this, okay? Slightly taking the foot forward. This is also fine. But if you can stay up, do so. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, stretch your body slightly forward for 3 deep breaths. Feeling a nice stretch in your inner thighs. Slowly come back. For those of you who are sitting back, slowly come back up. Take the foot in. Come to Malasana once again. Feel free to sit on a block if your legs are getting tired, and let us do wood chopping movement. Interlock your finger, point your index finger out, knees out, inhale up, exhale, open your mouth, chop the wood. Okay, 10 of these. Inhale up, exhale, open your mouth with force. Imagine you are chopping a wood. Come on, 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Again, drop your palms down. Now let us open the left leg on the left side. Stretch slowly, drag it out. If you are tired, feel free to sit back or wherever you are. Inhale, open the chest, exhale slightly forward, pushing the knee out. No overstretching. Follow the limitation of your body and hold for 3 deep breaths. And then slowly come back. Again, we are going to close. One last we are going to do in Malasan. You can pause the video and take a break if you are tired. This is the best movement to balance your hormones. Now from Malasan we will do Uttanasana. I am going to show you the side view. So we are going to drop the palms down. As you inhale here and then lift up. No straightening of the knees. Keep them bent. Keep the chest and the thigh almost in contact. Exhale, sit in Balasana. Inhale up. Exhale, sit back in Malasana. Inhale up. Lift your hips up. Exhale, sit back in Malasana. Let's do few more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Four more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Three more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Two more. Up and down. One more. Inhale. Lift up. Let us hold here for last five. Four. Stay here. Three. Two. And one. We are going to slowly sit back again in Malasana. Now you can finally relax. Legs straight and shake. Now we are going to do some gentle stretches. For that, come to tabletop position on all fours. We are going to do cat and cow stretch to release the tension from the spine. With inhale, you will arc, turning the pelvis up, head up. Exhale, tuck your pelvis in, hunch your back, look down. Inhale, arc, look up. Exhale, hunch and look down. Inhale, look up, head up. Feel a nice stretch in the back. Exhale, hunch and look down. Inhale, arc, look up. Exhale, hunch and down. Inhale, we arc the back. Exhale, hunch. Inhale, arc. One last. Exhale, hunch. Now come to neutral. We are going to do another posture for balancing the hormones. Tuck your feet. We will move to Parvatasana. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, push back to Parvatasana. Push your chest back. You can keep your knees soft. Only if you are comfortable, try to straighten your knees. Legs straight. If you want, you can bend your knees alternatively to release the tension from the back of the legs. This is going to feel really good in your legs and your head. Stay here for some time. Simply stay in neutral position. And then once again, we are going to slowly drop the knees down to tabletop. Let us relax in Balasana. Spread your knees, join your toes, sit back, spread your arms forward, head on one side. Let us rest here for 3 deep breaths. And we are going to now slowly come back up, and we are going to do very important posture, that is legs up the wall.
And in that we will do deep breathing. That is very important posture that you can do every night also. Every single day, Manasana and this legs of the wall you have to do. Okay? Make sure legs of the wall never do when you are on your periods. Rest anytime you can do. So go from the wall.
Lift your both legs up on the wall and completely come to a comfortable position. Legs apart, toes relaxed. Place your one palm on the chest, one palm on the belly, and then tilt your head on one side and eyes closed. Just simply relax your body and observe your breath for some time. This is going to calm down your mind. As you inhale, feel your chest and abdomen expanding. Fill them with air. As you exhale, abdomen and the chest comes back in. Inhale, chest and abdomen expands. Exhale, chest and abdomen comes back in. Inhale, chest and abdomen expands. Exhale, they come back in. Inhale, expand. Exhale, relax. Now do this at your own for a minute. Now stop counting your breath and just simply relax. Feel free to drop your hands on the sides with palms facing up. Do nothing but just relax here for some more time. Once again, bring your awareness back, gently moving the toes. Bring your legs closer to each other. Bend your knees. Take a turn to any of the side and wait here for some time. Keeping the eyes closed only. Slowly get up and sit. Now rub your palms. feel the warmth of your palms and place them on your eyes, gently opening the eyes in front of your palms. Namaste.
Thank you for practicing with me. Do this flow every single day. It's going to help you a lot. If you enjoyed the session, make sure you like it and share with all the women you know. You can let me know your concerns in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. You can also let me know on which topic you would like to see the next video and we will meet again in another session. Till then, bye. Take care.